pattern, password, screen lock. We're going to be able to unlock this device without needing a PC. This is a completely PC-free, easy, and quick method to solve this. What we're going to do to recover our phone that had a screen lock, and what we did was change it, but after a while, we forgot it. If that's your case, well, don't worry, because in this video tutorial, we're going to give you the whole solution. That said, it has this lock. It's a lock that doesn't let us do anything. It doesn't let us in. We go down. We go in here, and it asks us for this screen lock. Having said all that, what we're going to do now is the following. We're going to press the power button for a few seconds. We're going to press it, leave it here, we turn it off. Now that it's completely off, we're going to press the power button. Then the volume up button, and when it shows us the logo, we release the power button to be able to enter the secret menu of this phone. What are we going to do here? We're going to locate the wipe data option and say yes. Now we look for where it says wipe data and we tap on factory data. Now we select again. And now factory data. We're going to do it for the second time, and for the third time. First time, wipe cache, and now factory reset. This wipe factory data is done. Now, in the first option, we'll select it in. Wait for our phone to take us to the home screen. Now I'm going to explain how to skip. We're going to skip all those options so we can get to the home screen. We'll get to the home screen, and from there I'll explain all the steps so we can add any other configurations to get your device ready to use, to add a new SIM card, to create a new Google account, and to add a new screen lock. We'll be showing you all this step by step. Okay, here we are at the home screen. To make this quick and easy, we're going to remove any SIM card we have in our phone. We're going to remove it. Now, to skip this, you're going to do this. Tap here on skip, tap here on continue offline. Tap next, tap here on accept. Tap here, done, tap here. We'll wait a few seconds. We'll wait here. A very easy and very fast way to recover our device without needing a PC. A completely PC-free method where you'll be recovering everything on your device. We'll just keep waiting. This would take us directly to the home screen. It took us directly to the home screen. So now our phone is fully ready and recovered.